Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Tucson versus the Audi Q5. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, from engine power to interior comfort, helping you decide which SUV aligns best with your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two popular vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Hyundai Tucson typically comes with a 2.5-liter engine delivering 187 horsepower. The Audi Q5, on the other hand, often boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, providing a more robust 268 horsepower. While both offer a smooth ride, the Q5 generally provides a more dynamic and refined driving experience, especially with its advanced handling capabilities. Inside, the Hyundai Tucson offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with an intuitive infotainment system, making it practical for daily use. The Audi Q5 elevates the experience with premium materials, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology, including a large touchscreen. Both SUVs provide good cargo capacity. The Tucson offers about 38 cubic feet behind the rear seats, suitable for family adventures. Regarding safety, both the Hyundai Tucson and Audi Q5 consistently earn high ratings from leading safety institutions, offering peace of mind. When considering value, the Tucson typically starts around $28,705, presenting a more budget-friendly option. The Audi Q5, a luxury SUV, has a higher starting price, often near $46,695. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.